You've probably seen videos like this. A Rolls-Royce crushed by a giant boulder, a rusty crane smashing a car, a dump truck flattening another Rolls-Royce. All of these are AI-generated and posted by the same Instagram page, and they're going insanely viral. Just a few days ago, I came across one of these videos. It showed a luxury Rolls-Royce parked under a cliff. Suddenly, a huge excavator picks up a massive boulder and crushes the car. When I checked the stats, I was shocked. 197 million views, 3.8 million likes, nearly 40,000 comments. And here's the kicker. The page only had 28 videos and already gained over 200,000 followers in just a few months. This creator isn't just posting on Instagram. I found their YouTube channel too. Same videos. They've already hit 80,000 subscribers and each short racks up millions of views. Now, they're earning over $1,000 a month each from ad revenue alone. Plus, they're selling a $9 paid guide on how to make these car crash videos. Do the math. Even if 500 people buy, that's over kier paisabakaig from the guide alone. That's when I thought, why not teach you how to do the same? I'll show you how to create these viral videos using free AI tools. This method is 100% free. No fluff, no paid software, no fancy camera. Even if you're starting with $0, you can do this. Just sit back, grab a drink, and stay with me till the end. This isn't going to be one of those rushed 5-minute tutorials that leave you more confused. I'm literally going to show you every tool, every prompt, every step in plain language. I'll even recreate one of their most viral videos, the one with nearly 200 million views, and show you the whole process, from image to animation to final edit. Why these videos go viral. The most popular video is a luxury blue Rolls-Royce parked under a cliff. A huge excavator lifts a boulder, you wait, and then it drops, crushing the car completely. Why does this work? Suspense. You keep watching to see if the car escapes. Shock. The impact surprises the viewer. Loop potential. The ending feels so satisfying you want to rewatch. This kind of video grabs attention and keeps people watching, which triggers the Instagram and YouTube algorithm to push it to millions more. This niche is perfect for faceless YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram pages. You don't need to show your face or use your voice. Now, let's get into it. Step 1. Generate AI images. We're going to recreate a viral scene using AI. First, go to the original video and take 2 key screenshots. 1 just before the stone is dropped and 1 right after the car is smashed. Use the outsnipping tool to capture both of these moments. Now paste both images into ChatGPT and type, "Give me a detailed prompt to recreate the first image." Make sure it includes all environmental aspects. ChatGPT will break everything down for you, including camera angle and movement, scene description, lighting and atmosphere, animation timing. Then type, "Now give me a video animation prompt based on these 2 shots. First, when the car is fine, and second, when it's completely smashed after the stone drops. Iryugi, give me the full transformation animation prompt." Now, you'll have both prompts, one for the static image and one for the animation. Step 2, create the image head to Enku, Leonardo AI, or Ideogram, but I prefer Image FX from Google, which is totally free and more powerful. Sign up and click on Image Generation. Before pasting the prompt, set aspect ratio to 9.9 and Seu, perfect for Reels, Shorts, TikTok. Paste the prompt from ChatGPT and click Generate. Pick the best version. You can add multiple things in the prompt after seeing the first result